is Charles. I'm currently here in Seoul, South Korea. And in today's video, I'm going to the older part of Seoul. I'm staying here at the Dongdaemun area, so I have to take the subway 2 stops to go to the Jongno Samga area on line number 5. There is a 1T money card vending machine.
You have chosen to purchase a T-Money card. You have selected an adult T-Money card. Please select the card you wish to purchase.
There are different types. Just checking the my card, how much balance I have.
Please place your transit card on the reload plate. Please select the route to reload.
Okay, so this is how you reload. That's all for the introduction of the vending machine. Okay, I just arrived at Jongno Sangga, so I'm heading out of the station. Need to find which exit. The interesting part about the subway station is that they have shops, toilets, 7-Eleven convenience stores. There are also many lockers here available inside the subway station, so you can leave your shopping or anything or luggage, so you don't have to carry around. But make sure you remember where you leave your luggage in. Just bought all this. One of the worst thing that I have to do now is to destroy the cupcake. Okay. Oh no. As you can see, there are many exits out from the station, so it's best to check on the map which exit you need to get out from to where you want to go. I realized this area many older people. Yes, I remember there was one street just near here. The whole streets are full of older people, and the restaurants, the cafes, and the tea houses are all catered for the older people, the senior citizens of this country. It's very interesting. It's very interesting here. Even at McDonald's and Starbucks, the majority of the customers are older people. I'm now in Taco Park. I'm now here at Insadong. This area are full of souvenir shops, traditional craft shops, and of course the usual high street beauty product shops. I just finished going along the Insadong area. Now I'm heading north towards another older part of Seoul. It's very cold, it's -5, and it's with the wind. just walk north of the Insadong area and come to this very local area full of restaurants. So I'm going to find something to eat because it's freezing cold here. I just ordered all this for 7,000. I just finished my lunch from this restaurant and the soup was very spicy, and now I'm trying to find the traditional houses around this area and let's check it out. Finally found some of the traditional houses area, Hanok village. I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.